Yes, welcome to day 44 of the Inteco MPI 7-tonne electric arc furnace install. Again, you can see the furnace in the background. We've had a very productive last 7 days since we last spoke. So what we've got now, we've actually taken the furnace concrete roof off, and that was to allow the installation of the porous plug, which is one of the parts of the new install. What's happened as well this week, we've been doing some work on the oxygen and natural gas supply lines. As you can see in the background behind the steps, the jet box is now all piped up. There's been some extensive work around the actual floor plates and supporting structure that sits around the furnace. Because the new furnace tilts to 45 degrees positively and minus 15 degrees for the slag element. Historically we'd had problems with that with the old furnace where we couldn't quite get to that level. So that has now been relieved and we're at the point of getting the hydraulics in at the moment, and hopefully should be seeing some operational movement soon. Also behind Gerald you'll see what we call the furnace charging system. We've had some trials with some material this week. We've also got some fuel pellets which have been supplied by a company on site, which we're also going to try this week.
To give a little bit of a forecast for next week's program is we still continue with the commissioning part. It's crucial to have the hydraulic system working by then, so we need to have the flushing done, and then we can see if there occurs any leakages or whatsoever. If not, we can really start with the movement tests and functionalities, on the cylinders, and this gives us a better picture and a better idea of what's going on, if we still need to make some adjustments or whatsoever, but this is part of the commissioning. So.